kung edit man yun, maputi ba siya o hindi. Ano yung kulay niya? Hindi naman black eh, brown. Kayong manggi, di ba? Maganda ba si Ate Ange or hindi? Yung totoo. Masakit. Masakit talaga. Maganda o hindi?
No. I'm not falling for your prank again.
Hindi yan prank. Totoo yan. Beautiful or no?
No, you said prank kasi ito eh.
Hindi ito prank. Totoo to. So tell me the truth. Beautiful or ugly?
Beautiful.
Ay, my heart is beating so fast.
Beautiful, beautiful, beautiful.
Ay, grabe naman nun.
Beautiful. I'm gonna use the camera for you.
Oh, sige. Ang pugi naman. Ang pugi. It's a prank. But it's not prank. It's truly true. It's truly true. Eat na your chicken and your Thank you for the wait, I have some number 2 question. Makakapasok ba si Ate Anne sa PBB? Pinoy Big Brother housemate? Doon sa sasalihan niya na ano? PBB, Pinoy Big Brother.
No.
Ah! Why? I'm not that, talented. Makakapasok?
It's a prank.
Ah, makakapasok ako.
No.
Why?
I'm saying it's a prank kasi.
Hindi. Yung totoo, makakapasok ba si Ate Anne sa audition? Tatanggapin ba siya ni Kuya Pinoy Big Brother? Bakit? Ay, bakit hindi? Sige nga, bakit hindi? Kasi mawawala si Ate Ange dito. Kung makakapasok si Ate Ange, malulungkot ka ba? Maging masaya ka. Malungkot ka? Hindi ka happy pag naging artista na ako? Malungkot ka? Bakit?
Because I can never see you again.
Hey, you can see me at the TV.
But I don't really watch your live too much.
No, you can watch it sa YouTube. Pinoy Big Brother Season 11. Tapos pag lumabas ako sa bahay ni Kuya, I will come back here and say hi to you and buy you some burger. Surprise, kasi nanalo ako noon.
It's a prank.
Hindi nga, totoo nga yun. Di ba
I just spilled Yakult on my...
Di ba mag-audition ako sa Yakult? Di ba mag-audition ako sa 27?
27?
Saturday?
2027?
No, 2025. Ay, 4. So, matatanggap ako. Kung ikaw yung judges, mag-yes ka ba sa akin? I love you.
I know it's a prank.
No, it's not.
The truth
Hindi, the truth.
The truth is no.
Hindi. Kung ikaw yung judges, tatanggapin mo ba ako maging housemate mo? Magiging kasama mo sa bahay at paglulutuan ka, maglilinis. Yun, kung ikaw si Kuya Pinoy Big Brother, tatanggapin mo ba ako? Ay! Tatanggapin mo ba ako? Ay, ayun, judges na to. Ayun. Yes, thank you!
It's a prank. You fell for it.
It's a prank mo yun?
Mm.
Ako pala yung na-prank. So, hindi ako matatanggap. Ganon. Oh, I'm so sad. I'm so really sad. Sad.
This side is yes, this is no.
Oh.
Oh.
Yung totoo.
Delete that clip. Delete that clip. Delete the clip when I show this.
No, don't do that. Or else I cut that. Pinky. Promise. Matatanggap si Ate Ange. Tsaka panoorin mo ulit itong video na to. Papasa ko to sa'yo. Natanggap na si Ate Ange bilang isang housemate. So ngayon, anong gusto mong ipa-acting kay Ate Ange? Singing? Dancing?
No.
What?
Netflix acting.
Like English? Okay. Accept the challenge. Hey! Don't eat that. This is the acting. I'm acting it. Don't eat that. It's mine. Na-pull ka sa acting ko. I'm so the best. I'm the best actress in the world. No? Eh, why are you so...
Second.
Second na ako. Kay Catherine. Bernardo, yung si Ali.
Catherine is first.
Oh, Catherine. Okay. I know that.
Catherine and the boy.
Si Daniel or si Alden? Hello, love, goodbye tayo.
Daniel and...
Alden. Oh. So, ako pang-apat na lang. Pangalawa.
Dalawa.
Sige, acting na ako. Hey, don't eat that boat. It's mine. Don't laugh. I'm serious. This is not drama, huh? You're so, you look scared at me. Why? I'm so scary, or no?
I was listening to the spinning to you.
Oh no, don't hurt anybody. Just love them. Okay? Because loving is caring and sharing
I want
is...
no more water.
Normal yan, no? Hey, don't take that. That's acting. Why are you so, look so scary to me? Hey. Alright, putting inside plastic. So mag-acting ka rin sa akin. Answer me. Sabi mo, it's mine. It's not yours.
Mine, it's not yours.
Don't smile.
It's mine, it's not yours.
Good. Wow, ang nice ang pugi. Where are you going?
I'm gonna trash this.
Okay.
For you to never mess with it.
Okay. Wow, very good in acting. Oh. Oh, very good. Oh, nagalit. Oy. Tatawa na yan. Oy, where are you going? Where are you going? Yung pagkain mo dito. Tubig mo din. You're done, na? Meron pa dito. Kunan mo yung mo. Baunan mo ng water. Uminom ka ba ng tubig kanina? Good. Chicken na lang, oh. Isi, diliwi, tatli, ipit, limi, inim, piti, waluy. So guys, pasado na daw ako sa aking audition, guys. Loko ka.
I don't want to eat anymore.
Sige na, mag-water ka na lang. Kuha ka muna ng baso, eh. Kuha ka ng baso dun. Oh, where are you going? Yeah! It's my tummy. Don't touch it. Ala! Kaya, oh.
Okay.
Gaya, ang buwit niya. Ang buwit niya maliit. Ay, magchinelas ka nga. Bilisan mo. Baby girl. Nauuhaw na ako, baby girl. Baby girl. Bakit ang tagal mo? Inutusan kita ng mother. Kailangan mo mabilis, ha? It's yours. Drink. Hey, pag natumbayan talaga. Kautot ka talaga. Sige, kaya nilaglag yan, ha? Ala. Wait. Pag nasira yan, patay. Alalala. Alalala. Lung. Mary, tutoy, tawa na. Mire naman as Stop laughing, okay? Serious. Krakata terus. Masih ka na ba na? Hi. Hoy. Sana mana ka sa... Serius. Sunny. Kumakanta lang ako. Sige, serius. I'm not singing. Koriko tokoti ka na. Sige, go. Oy. Saniruri kuto. Oy, nakaligtas. Very good. Ang galing.
I literally soaked myself in water.
Guys, oh. He's trying to, aray, iyawa. Hindi na yung pwet ko, guys, oh. Boom! Paddle.
No.
Saan ka pupunta, Dung?
I'm watching you.
Wait, I'm watching you. Oh, napatay. You're hugging, guys. Kasi naubo na din. Patay na siya. Ang pugi naman. Boom. Babay na.